Namaste. Welcome to GIET University School of Nursing. I, Rajlakshmi Patnaik, a student of BSc Nursing 3rd year. I personally believe our campus natural setting fosters a unique learning environment, empowering us to become compassionate, dedicated and holistic healthcare professionals. Now coming to our classroom and lab facilities. Our classrooms are a vibrant hub of learning and equipped advanced technology, including interactive whiteboards, projectors and high-speed internet. But what truly sets our institution apart is the array of specialized facilities that stimulates us with real-world healthcare scenarios. From community lab to obstetrics and gynecology labs, nutritional labs, nursing fundamental labs, medical surgical labs, preclinical labs, we have assessed our hands to training in a wide range of disciplines, preparing us to excel our future careers as nursing professionals.
Welcome to our OBG and Gynecology Lab. It is designed to provide hands-on clinical experiences to WE students, equipped with advanced stimulation models, fetal monitoring systems, and labor and delivering mannequins, where they ensure that WE students gain experiences in maternal and newborn care. Hence, what we gain is practical skills, develop stronger communication, teamwork abilities, and especially build the confidence of ours in the field of nursing profession. By working alongside with the healthcare professionals, we are prepared to tackle any challenges in this profession and deliver exceptional patient care.
Hello, I am Esther, BSc Nursing student. Welcome to our community lab. A community lab is a stimulating environment where we practice our nursing skill in a realistic and a safe settings. In this lab, it equips the community bags, exam tables and vital signs monitors which we use for the assess and care for the patients. In this lab, we learned community health nursing, health promotions and disease preventions. We practice our clinical skills by wound caring health educations. We work in a team to develop our communications and the collaboration skills. Our teachers are also experienced and full supportive and provide guidance. Their feedbacks help us to the confidence and the competent nurse.
I am fortunate to learn from a team of exceptional faculty members who are not only experts in their field but also passionate mentors. With their diverse expertise and specialization, they provide us a well-rounded education that prepares us for our success in nursing professional. Our faculty members dedicated creating a supportive and inclusive learning environment that fosters our academic excellence, critical thinking, professional growth that help us to become a compassionate and competent nursing professionals.
Reflecting on our journey to GIET School of Nursing, we can confidently say that our university has provided us with the transformative educational experiences, a state-of-art classrooms, lab experiences, and dedicated faculties and vibrant campus life. We have access to unparalleled opportunities for growth and development. With a strong focus on educational excellence, inclusivity and holistic well-being, GIET has nurtured us with the compassionate, competent and confident nursing professionals. We are ready to make a meaningful impact in the world.